I'm Shan of INFINIX HOT 11 and today I would like to show you how you can add face data on this smartphone. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing security. Now tap on face unlock, mask click and enter your current login method. Over here select enroll face, choose next and remember to keep your face in frame. Now you can adjust all of those settings however you wish to by picking the best option for you. I will go with swipe up to unlock after the screen lights up and tap on them. After that I can turn off my screen and when I turn it back on, as you can see, face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!